Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you learn to use the extrude, shell, and sweep. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll create a construction line here with 14 millimeters. And create this line here with 6 millimeters of length. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select line. I will make this in this direction here, 6 millimeters. Go to constraint, midpoint, select this line and the center point. Select a line, a construction line, click here in the midpoint, 14 millimeters of length. Now we will create a line with 3 millimeters and another line here. The angle between these two lines, 160 degrees, and we will create this line. The distance between this line and the midpoint here is 4 millimeters. So select line, click here in this point, remove the construction line type, 3 millimeters, and create another line here. The angle here, 160 degrees, and create another line here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 4 millimeters, and here we need to create one more line. The angle here will be 35 degrees, and we have this arc. This arc has 2 millimeters of radius. So select a line, make a line here, and make an arc here. And go to constraint, select the coincident, select the center of this arc and this line here. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here, 2 millimeters. And the angle here is 35 degrees. Now go to mirror, select this line and this arc. The mirror line is this construction line and press OK. We made this one. Now we needed to extrude this profile. So we needed to extrude this 3.5 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile. The direction symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 3.5 millimeters. Operation new body and press OK. And now the thickness of this body here is 0.5 millimeters, and we need to remove the front face and the back face here. So let's create this. Go to shell and select the face that we want to remove, this face here, and the front face here, 0.5 millimeters, and press OK. Now we will create this cut. So we will select the right plane and make a rectangle here. The distance here, letter G, 1 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, and select a 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here, 1 millimeters. And the distance here is 14 millimeters. And go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line and the center point. And finish the sketch, go to extrude. The direction here, select the symmetric, and the extended type, select the all. Operation cut and press OK. Now we will create this solid here in the front face. this one. So to create this one, we will create this sketch. So we'll create a line here with 5 millimeters. We have an arc with 0.5 millimeters here, another arc with 7 millimeters here, and another arc here with 1 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face. I will rotate this a little bit. Hide the body tool. And go to create, select the project include. Project, select the body, select this body and press OK. And here select line, a construction line. Find this point here, make a line here with 5 millimeters. And go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, remove the construction line type, and another arc here, and another arc here. Go to constraint, select the tangent. This arc is tangent, it's other. And here go to constraint, select the coincident, select the center of this arc, make this coincident with this line, and find the center of this arc and make this coincident with this line. And go to sketch dimension. The radius here 0.5, the radius here 7 millimeters, and the radius here is 1 millimeters. Now go to create, select the mirror, select this 3 arc, and the mirror line is this construction line, and press OK. We made this profile, so finish the sketch, show the body tool, and go to extrude, select this profile, the direction one side, the extended type, select it to object and select this face, operation join and press OK. Now we will create this part here. So to create this, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this line. The angle between this line and this face here is 70 degrees. And the distance between this point and this point here is 0.2 millimeters. And we have an arc here with 1.5 millimeters of radius. So go to create a sketch, select the right plane, go to create, project include, select the body, select this body and press OK. And select the line. I will hide this body a little bit. Make a line here, the angle 70 degrees. And make an arc here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 0.2 millimeters and this radius 1.5 millimeters. Now we need to create this arc. The radius here is 13 millimeters. And the center of this arc is in the center of this part. And so the distance between this point and the center of this arc is 7 millimeters. And the distance between the tangent point here and this face is 3 millimeters. So let's create this arc. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here. This arc must be tangent with this one. And go to sketch dimension, the radius here 13 millimeters. Let me rotate this a little bit. And go to sketch dimension, select this arc and this point. The distance here is 7 millimeters. And select the line, construction line. Make a construction line here. Let me move this, go to constraint, select the horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And the distance here, 3 millimeters. And make this symmetric, go to constraints, midpoint, select this arc and this point. We made this. Now in this side here, we have another arc with 1.5 millimeters, and we have a line. But the distance between this line here and this face is 0.3 millimeters. So go to create, select the arc, 3-point arc, make an arc here, remove the construction line type, and select line. Make this arc tangent with this line, and go to constraint, select the equal, select this arc and this one, and the angle between this line here and this one is 70 degrees, and the distance here is 0.3 millimeters. Now we'll make an offset with 1.2 millimeters to create this side, and we'll close the sketch with this line. So go to offset, select this profile. The distance here is 1.2 millimeters, and press OK. And here select line, make a horizontal line here, and we made this profile. So finish the sketch, show the body one, and we needed to extrude this. Let me see, the distance here is 1.5 millimeters. So go to extrude, the direction, select symmetric, 1.5 millimeters, the measurement whole length, operation join, and press OK. And now, to finish this, we'll make a cut in this part here. So to create a cut, we'll create this profile. So the distance between this arc here and this one is 0.2 millimeters. So, and the distance here is 1.5 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face. I will rotate this. And go to offset, you can use the offset, no problem. And remove the chain selection. Select this arc. The distance here is 0.2 millimeters. Change the direction and press OK. And here select line. Make a line here, a rectangle here, no problem. And the distance here, 1.5 millimeters. And you can go to project and the selection filter is specified entities. Select this line here and this one and press OK. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. Make sure that this line is coincident with this arc. And the distance here, the distance here between this line here and this point can be 1.6 millimeters. That's enough. And finishing the sketch. And show this body here. And now go to create and select sweep. And the profile, select this sketch. Make sure to select this area. And the path, show the sketch 4. And remove the chaining selection. And select this arc here. Show this body, The operation here will be cut. Select this line, this arc here, and this line. And the operation is cut, and press OK. Hide the sketch 4. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.